Red apple, red like a red apple. No apple inside, but apple outside. Do the shot, you get to keep the glaze. Make you feel good tonight. Rock the boat in love. With the people in love. You need the love tonight. And you don't say no to love.
It is her anniversary.
Let's do it! Celebrate! Rock the boat. Rock it good. You make sure you go to Camp Carnival. Are you ready for tonight?
Yummy, yummy, creamy, creamy. Is that creamy?
Buttery nipple, butterscotch, Irish cream, yummy, yummy, creamy, creamy. Make you feel lucky, lucky in the night. Don't be shy, tonight is the night. Are you ready, mommy, daddy? Do it tonight. Which one you wanna do? Red apple or buttery nipple or cinnamon toast? Make you feel good.
I'm gonna try this one this time. I had that last time.
I want that shot glass. It's blue.
Keep the
What about
glaze.
you?
No, you gotta celebrate. It's not his anniversary. He's not married to himself. We need to celebrate together. People in love. You in love. Try the cinnamon toast. Yummy, yummy, creamy, creamy.
It smells good.
There are two girls. You need two glasses. They get to keep the glaze. Daddy cannot do two by himself. You need to be alert tonight. There you go. One for you. Do it. Mommy, do it. Do it. Daddy, give to mommy. It's your anniversary. What do you want? Cream rum? Try this one. No, after a year, when you look at the glass, you're gonna say, honey, you remember that night we rocked the boat. Do it.
You have to take it after that. That's funny.
Do it.
It's
Do
funny.
it, mama. You gotta say, mommy, mommy, are you ready? Do it. Just do it. One for you, right? There you go. I'll give you the top food
She's not a
one.
big drinker. She's not a big drinker.
Tonight is the night. Don't be shy. Daddy buying. Be good. Do it. No. No. When you say no, I'll tell you what it means. When you say no, it means give me four. No, but make sure you rock the boat in love. Keep the glaze. Keep the glaze. Make you feel good. He had 5 already. See, he's rocking his thing.
I had 5 already.
We drink before we start. If I don't finish this, I'm gonna drink it all. Make me feel good. Have a good night, guys. Happy anniversary.
Thank you.
God bless you and you rock the boat.